Hey there, this is Tony. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. We are here at the Mecca of Scottish Rite Masonry, which is the house of the temple. Yeah, this building. We're going to go inside and get a tour. I'm actually a little early, so that's unusual for me. We're going to go inside of this magnificent facility that is actually called House of the Temple, amazingly enough. It is such a beautiful building. I hear it's just as beautiful on the inside. So come along with us on this adventure, because you've just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. To the right of the doors outside, you see this. Yeah, they won't let me videotape inside, so I'm going to talk you through it. And the main room that you come in has this huge marble. And then this is, they got two of these, one on each side of the steps. And as you look up, this is what you see. This is just beautiful up the stairs. Everywhere you look, you see something like this. It's just amazing, the different touches that they have. One of the stair landings has this. It's a Tyler seat. And inside the main room, it looks like this. It's beautiful floors. All the little accents like the lesser lights here. And just a beautiful altar, kneeling pads. The 5 different books they have on their altar for different religions. And there would be the master's seat up that direction. These are just some extra shots. You just going in, you just can't understand how beautiful this place is, because it really is just truly beautiful. Just the different purples, and everywhere you look, you see something new. It's like, wow, look at that. The different purple accents and just the furniture itself. There's a nice sword they had on display. Here's a secondary room where the 33rds meet, the council room. That's the altar in the council room. So they meet once a year, and they come to this council room here to have their meeting and conferences, is what it is. And just the ceilings are magnificent, and it's just amazing where illustrious sir would sit. And there's one of the door knockers, one of the many in the building. And as you go around this is an area of donors. This was in the center of the donors. This is the stained glass. Major donors are now anointed there. And of course, this is a bust of Albert Pike. And here's another room that they actually rent out considerably. They do this one a lot. And around the room, they've got paintings just like this one here. And then you see little areas of where history that they have, different giveaways that was given at the particular events. I'm trying to show that in part of it through the glass. You can't really see that. There's different things like setting mauls and gavels throughout some of their displays. This is one of the museum rooms that they have. It's actually a pretty small room, this one here is. It was only, I don't know, 20 by 20. It's got this, and this actually sits in the center of the room. You kind of walk around it. It's got historic muskets and different presidents that were members of Scottish Rite and different world leaders. This was a mask made for his a bust of Abraham Lincoln. Different things of stars and some coins that were cast throughout history. This is a suit that was worn on a flight that they gave, and showed the Scottish Rite flag that was taken up to the moon. Famous people. They got different pictures of different famous people that were Scottish Rite Masons, and some war-torn flags. Of course, you know that guy, Ollie Murphy. Herbert Hoover. I'm surprised to see him there. Gene Autry, I believe that is. They got a really nice library. It's just chock full of Masonic books, and a lot that are related to Scottish Rite. Some are, they've only got a few editions, and there are some display cases like this one here. And this one shows the old building that they used to be in. This is it here, not too far from this location. was really a good time though. Well, that was fun. I wish I could have videoed it, but hopefully you got something out of some of the explanations I did with a lot of those pictures that I took. It's definitely worth a tour. It's free of charge, of course. You just got to get scheduled in a sense. Basically, you just need to show up at the time that they have posted. For example, today was 10, I think today was 10, 2, and 3:30, and yesterday was 11, 2, and 3:30. So just make sure you're here 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes beforehand, so you can get checked in and everything, and especially if you're a Mason, get credit for being here. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and send this to your friends who are looking to come see this beautiful spectacle of a building here. But as I said, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and come see us here whenever you're in DC. This is one more place you definitely need to stop by and see, because you are now leaving the coolest life, Masonic edition, Scottish Rite at that.